friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I'm making a healthy chocolate mousse. And it's going to be super easy and require very little ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, so here are a couple of things you'll need. We want plain Greek non-fat yogurt. You can use any preference of milk. I'm going to use oat milk. That's been my jam lately. Vanilla extract, some honey, or you can use maple syrup if you have that. Some unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, you don't have to use it. It's just an optional ingredient, but you will for sure need some chocolate chips. Most of this stuff I picked up from Target. Target, please sponsor me. First things first, we'll want to get a saucepan and do a low heat. Then you're gonna get your half cup of milk and you'll just pour it in. Let that guy heat up, and when it does, you'll want to add in a half cup of chocolate chips. So hold. Now this is optional, but I'm going to do a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it in now. So it's all dissolved. Looks like the milk is warming up, so go ahead and add your half cup of chocolate and stir that bad boy in. Okay, keep stirring until it dissolves. Now this is what it currently looks like. Everything is melted in. Now what we'll want to do is turn your stove off and let it sit aside for 3 to 5 minutes. While your chocolate's resting, go ahead and take your 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. I'll get that out later. And then add your vanilla extract and your honey and go ahead and mix this little combo together. Chocolate's cooled down. Go ahead and mix. Mix it until it's even. There should be no lumps. This is what it should look like. Now, this is the worst part of all of it. You'll have to let it chill in the fridge for 2 hours. BRB. Children, what y'all doing? Look at me. Look at me. Okay, y'all, and there you have it. We have some chocolate Greek yogurt mousse. Now, I will say, this isn't like an ice cream dupe, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Especially if you're a big Greek yogurt fan.